Hello, good afternoon. This is a submission for my individual project assignment. And so what I decided to do my project over was carbon footprint sustainability. So starting off, what is carbon footprint? A carbon footprint is the total amount of greenhouse gases, including carbon dioxide and methane, that are generated by our actions. Average carbon footprint for a person in the United States is 16 tons, one of the highest rates in the world. Globally, the average carbon footprint is closer to 4 tons. Why is carbon footprint a problem within the world? Our carbon footprint has a negative impact on the environment in multiple ways. It, it is the main cause of human-induced climate change. It contributes to urban air pollution. It leads to toxic rain. It adds to coastal and ocean acidification, and it worsens the melting of glaciers and polar ice. How are climate change and carbon footprint associated? Without carbon dioxide, Earth's natural greenhouse effect will be too weak to keep the average global surface temperature above freezing. By adding more carbon dioxide to the atmosphere, people are supercharging the natural greenhouse effect, causing global temperature to rise. How are we working on sustaining our carbon footprint? As a society, there are many things we can practice in order to become more sustainable and limit our carbon footprint. Some practices that everyone can partake in is to consume one, local and seasonal products. Two, bring reusable shopping bags. Three, make sure to buy only what you need to avoid waste. Greenhouse and gas emissions. So right here, this is a chart of the greenhouse and gas emissions from 2010 to 2021. And on this chart, you can see um, all the different greenhouse and gas emissions created from agriculture, manufacturing, construction, electricity supply, transport services, households, heating, and others. What have we done to make our carbon footprint more sustainable? Some things that we can practice to limit our carbon footprint is using less light when natural light is sufficient. Number two would be climate control. Keep temperature systems on moderate setting when in a room. Three, shorter showers. Try and take shorter showers because less water equals less energy. Take the stairs. Use stairs as often as possible. Elevators consume electricity. However, we do not consume electricity, so that that'd be more beneficial to the environment. Electric vehicles. While many people think electric vehicles are good for the environment, they may be mistaken because EV battery production can adversely impact the environment, such as loss of biodiversity, air pollution, and decreased freshwater supply. EV batteries consist of material like nickel, lithium, and cobalt, and others which are energy intensive to mine. Nuclear power. I've always been a big advocate when it comes to nuclear power. Reason being is every year nuclear generated electricity saves our atmosphere from more than 470 million metric tons of carbon dioxide emissions that would otherwise come from fossil fuels. And that is it. These are my sources right here. Thank you.